Greetings everyone, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Join me today as I venture to Paragrant Bay. This was by far the most beautiful hike I've ever been on due to the scenic landscape overlooking the blue Caribbean Sea. After climbing on the rocks for a little bit, we decided to search for the waterfall and explore the forest, which greeted us with peacefulness and refreshing mountain breeze. Here we have Kaale having a little bit of a hard time heading back up through the forest. Stay tuned to find out if he made it out alive or if we had to call for assistance. Stay tuned. To reach the starting point of this hike, you can drive along the North Coast Road as if you're heading to Maracas and then turn onto Fort Pardo Road until you meet your first intersection and then you'll turn to the right. About 1 minute of walking on the hike trail, to the left, you can immediately see a little island off the coast known as Shodu Island, which means waterfall in French. I've heard a lot of talk about Paragrant Bay, and after finally having the opportunity to hike there, I can say it was definitely worth the hype. This hike trail was one of the most scenic ones I've ever been on in Trinidad, and it is also very accessible. So keep watching to see the amazing views.
What plant is this?
Oh my god, it's a dashing bush. It's a dashing bush.
That's how big the shadow bending is here. CJ, what had to say for the channel?
Guys, this has been an experience. Like, we out here in nature now, and so much people around the world, they're fighting wars, and like, we have all this and we just have earth, and you know, we could all just have peace, you know. If we were all out here, there would be no COVID, right, Kaale? There would have no COVID, yeah.
Kaale, what's your views on that?
Like and subscribe.
Kaale, what's your views? Huh? You shot for your own channel? What?
We'll come out there and
Oh, look at these side trees.
yeah, boy. I went Paragrant.
I went Paragrant.
How nice and blue the water is. My phone again.
Yeah, boy, I find my phone and doing it just this way.
Wow. So that is the famous Doen House. So there's the state of the road. In case anyone planning on driving to come down. No, this is my cousin here. He's saying that cars come down here with with what?
What?
Everybody feeling the pressure.
Remember that? What?
Yeah. He said his legs trembling because it's not an easy hike.
Like it rained recently, so the road kind of muddy. So we reach a little lower down. There's a trooper right there. I don't know if somebody lives there. And you could see the boat. Like it just making rounds in the sea. I don't know, like my phone not giving it any justice. Like all there, really blue. I think you could kind of see it. It's so beautiful. Look at this view. Like the water is just blue today. So that is Shodu Island. I'll put the name on the screen. It is not inhabited by anyone. Oh my God, I just wish these trees wasn't here. Could I see it better? There are also lots of people who live like on this road and a lot of gardens as well. If you're planning on coming with your vehicles, I would suggest like having a Jeep or like a Hilux or those Nissan trucks to come down here, because you will need a 4x4 to come down on this dirt road. As you can see, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Look at this. Like there's a little shed right there. Look how beautiful the water is today. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I wonder if you could go down there. Ooh. You could see like some of the water clashing upon the rocks over there. Let me see. If you look at it, it's kind of looking like a turtle. Like, this could be the head and then the body. It kind of looks like a turtle. There's a flight of birds. Look at them. Oh, it's so breezy. I don't know. We don't know which part to go. Look at this tree. We've been walking for about, oh, look at that. We've been walking for about 53 minutes so far, or maybe an hour. I don't know how far we have to go. We'll see.
You can't find a stone?
Is the one with the two handles? For the phone, so it won't be shaken.
Oh, something like a stick?
Yeah.
JK, you looking for what? He said that one boring.
Just zoom up on it.
Man, I real bad man.
You gonna put one, yeah?
I put one already.
Oh, rough that one.
From
Look at that
here?
wave. Look at that wave. Way.
Guinea here,
Man surfing that. Man surfing that.
We have made it.
A case with a screw.
For killer.
Yes, get on a hole.
Oh, they're really going over? I think I'll take the same route. Bad night, but we made it. I don't know if you can hear me. I'm talking to the camera. But we made it. The water all rough.
Damn it, rough.
Just past there. Not talking to the thing. Just past there. I'm soaked. We're coming up here. Thinking of a track up there. So you see them passing here. No, I know what you say. We climbed up this hill because we thought that's where the forest trail started, but we were wrong. The forest trail actually starts at the end of the beach, so you'll have to go to the end of the beach to start the forest trail. So as you can see here, we're just making our way down this cliff, but it had a little trail, so it wasn't so difficult. It was just really steep. Just pass all here. All here. They're drying off their clothes. So, we're gonna try to go over there before the water comes. This is from the waterfall. See the waterfall. So this is the beach. They have, there's a shore so you could like sit down and time, but the tide really high as you can see. So like on a normal day, the tide might be quite back here, but it's really high today and the water is really rough. So it's not recommended that you bathe in this water. So now we are going to the waterfall and we are also going to head home. So we're going up this trail, you can see it right there.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah. So going up there and you only know the way to the waterfall?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, so going by the waterfall. Wait now. But I saw all this thing could zoom. We don't know where we're going. This way? What's that? I don't know where we're going. Jesse, you know where you're going? Jesse! This thing tastes real good. Like, I never tasted this before. I know late to the game. But this tastes so good.
Brought to you by Lucas.
Coming down video.
Grab mushroom.
Wash it well.
I ain't take no water, I ain't bottle away. From the river. In the bag. You think water in the river?
So we're gonna be walking through the forest to get to where we're going. Look at this shed. What is it for, JC? Inform us.
People come and fish.
And who come and fish and hunt
And they camping overnight.
Yeah. Oh.
Look at that fella right in the corner there.
One year you got it.
So if you don't know, this is known as a marker. See if I can touch it. You think I can touch it, JC?
Yeah.
See that trail?
No, but I think
You touch it there now?
No,
Look at once more. Yeah, touch it there. Touch it there. If it didn't touch it, we'll fake it.
So we came from down there. Look how nice and blue the water is, and now we're heading up. As you can see, the roots are shaped like stairs. I find that is so cool. Nature is so wonderful. So here is where they say the dancers come and take you when you're walking on this trail. It took us about an hour and a half to get through the forest. Your head's still bigger than this.
I woke up in there.
Yeah, but let me show you how it is.
Now you come out. Walk up high. Let me show you the bike. Jesus. Put a snake in it?
Okay, so as you saw, we did not take the trail that we came down on. We used this not a trail. This is the forest trail. So as you can see over there, you see the nice frequency. So we have been walking for about an hour. It's only uphill, but I would say it's easy because there are lots of markers. Like maybe every other tree you'll see a marker, so you'll know where you're going. How much hours we have? I think we have like 1 more hour to go, and then we have like 30 minutes to walk to the vehicle. So yeah, I'll keep you all updated.
So it's across over there.
What's that, babe? You want to talk? Talk to me.
It's breathtaking.
Tired?
No, I'm not tired.
Come here.
I'm not already, I don't know what to say.
Talk to me.
You see,
No, you can't be to the whole
Come here.
every second I'm gonna have something to say. When we reached the concrete road, we were really tired due to us not having any water. Then a resident of the area saw our exhaustion, so he offered us some of his coconuts, which was so thoughtful of him, and we were really thankful.
I stopped carrying them tree.
Head black, yeah.
Hey, hold, come on. I was talking about this.
Thanks.
Now, come on.
So you just go down Paragrant plenty?
I go down for a while, I was going to get time. I said I go down there today. No? Yeah, I hear the water rough yesterday, but I go down for a while. Yeah.
Thank
This
you.
was this
Yeah.
I'm not sure. I
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you said the green one?
Yeah. But get them first time.
Yeah, well, that is good. I walk
Especially this man here.
I got
That is
it.
it.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
That was good.
Yeah, I'm going to spend my
The kind man by the name of Jerry offered us to explore his estate, and I could not refuse. Look at this beautiful view. Like imagine waking up to this every morning. He has lots of coconut trees. So there's the crew over there. Look at these old cups. I actually have some of these home, but not this small. Look at them. You all know about these cups? I love these cups. I have a few home. There's a lot. Wow. And then here's a latron there. I don't know what that is, but this is a latron for sure. You all ever had latron days? I had to grow up using a latron, and I'm only 18 years old, so tell me, do you all know anything about using a latron? And we have reached the end, so I don't want to go any further. I don't want to roll along the hill, but yeah, this is his lovely estate. It's so beautiful. Again, if you remember earlier, I showed you all Shodo Island, and this is it again. It's in the shape of a turtle, I'll say. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, let me go back across so I could get some more coconut water. Can't not drop. So we started the hike from like about there, or like even on top there, like around up there, and we walked down, went by the beach, the waterfall. Oh, and then we came up this mountain, this little mountain there. Came up, followed the road, and now we're here. So to reach the vehicle, I think we have about maybe like 30 minutes again, and then hopefully we go for some bacon jack. But so beautiful. Yeah, let's go. We started walking on top there, so like after we walk up Paragrant, start here, you can see the road. And we have like 20 more minutes to reach the... Yeah, my phone is on 1% right now with my cut off. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Feel free to come here, visit. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.